In this video, we will see how to add Google Analytics tracking code to your website built on Framework 360. First, let's go inside Google Analytics. Under the administration section, we find information about tracking. Of course, we check that we have selected the correct account and the correct property. We click on tracking information, tracking code. We will find the Google Analytics code that we want to add to our website. We take the code that starts with UA, I paste, copy it, and go into our environment, Framework 360 under the tracking section. If we don't already have a project, let's create one by clicking on Add. We give the project a name, perhaps naming it after the website, and then paste the code we copied from Google Analytics into the UA, Google Analytics section. We click on Save, and automatically we will find the Google Analytics code installed on our website. Therefore, there is no need to add the entire tracking code via HTML.